at BOK Zone. So today I'll be going straight to the board. I'll be talking about introduction to chemistry. Chemistry. Now, why am I bringing this up? These are the rudiments. These are the primary things we need to know. You know, when you're building a house, you need to lay the foundation, and from there you can start putting up other things. So the same thing is applicable to any subject. Okay, you need to know the rudiments for those coming into SS1, or for those already in SS2, SS3, and so for those that are actually done with school, preparing to write JAM. This is also what's needed. This is the prerequisites that is needed for you to understand the subjects properly. So let's get to the board. Now the first thing is here says, what is matter? The second point says, what is chemistry? The third point says, what are chemicals? The fourth one says, the scientific method. The fifth says, chemistry in everyday activities. Now you should have asked me, or some person might say, why won't chemistry come first? This one come second or so. Now please watch carefully and listen, okay? Now matter. What is matter? Matter is anything that has mass and occupies space, okay? Matter is anything that has mass, okay, and what occupies space. Now I did not use weight. You know, most times we make the mistake that matter is anything that has weight and occupies space. I think that would be my concluding parts of the video, where I will ask you to differentiate between mass and weight, okay? They are quite different, okay? So matter is anything that has mass and occupies space. Now you can ask, what is matter? Examples of matter. Now let me tell you, the house you live in is matter, the clothes you wear, the food you eat, the dress you wear, and you also watching me is also called what? Matter. So don't get it twisted, okay? Myself, I am matter, you're matter, okay? Living things and non-living things are actually called matter. Do you understand it? So that is for matter, okay? Now what is chemistry? Chemistry can be defined as a branch of science, okay? Let me use the board. The branch of science because there are actually other branches of science like biology, physics, okay? Now chemistry is a branch of science that deals with the study of matter. It deals with the study of matter, its structure, its composition, its components. Do you understand me? And the changes it undergoes, okay? These are what we, or this is what we call, this is how we define chemistry. Okay, chemistry is a study, is a branch of science that deals with the structure, the composition, and what the composition